The process of photosynthesis, which was divided into two major mechanisms, that is light reactions and the dark reactions. In the dark reactions, which take place in the stroma, and the processes they need the utilization of ATP and NADPH2, which are formed during light reactions. In this, the carbon dioxide is reduced to sugars, and this reduction of carbon dioxide or formation of carbohydrates, it takes place in three ways. First is the C3 cycle, also known as Calvin-Benson cycle. Second is the C4 cycle, Hatch and Slack cycle. And third mechanism of carbon dioxide reduction is CAM, which is called crassulacean acid metabolism. CAM stands for crassulacean acid metabolism. Certain plants, especially the succulents, which grow in extreme xeric conditions, and they fix carbon dioxide during night time. In these, carbon dioxide is fixed during night time. Succulent plants, examples of the succulent plants, they are bryophyllum, and therefore it is bryophyllum, it is a succulent plant, and the CAM, that is crassulacean acid metabolism, is seen in them. Similar metabolism they are found in other plants also, like cactus, orchid, and pineapple. Means crassulacean acid metabolism can be seen in the succulent plants like bryophyllum and other plants like cactus, orchid, and pineapple. The most important feature of these plants is that the stomata here, they remain open at night but closed during the day. As we have seen that CAM is seen in xeric conditions where temperature is very high during the daytime. So, in order to avoid the loss of water, or in order to protect the amount of water in the plants, the stomata, they are open at night and they are closed during the day. This is a kind of adaptation in succulent plants to carry out photosynthesis without much loss of water. The metabolic pathway, the CAM metabolic pathway, it includes acidification and deacidification. The process involves acidification and deacidification. Acidification, it occurs during night time in the dark, and deacidification, it occurs during daytime in the presence of light. During night, the organic acid content of the plant increases, and the pH inside the cell sap decreases. Whereas during daytime, the organic acid content, its amount decreases, and the pH of the cell increases in the vacuole of plant cells. And similarly, the storage of carbohydrates, it decreases during night time and it increases during daytime. Carbohydrate storage, it decreases during night time and increases during daytime. Let us see the mechanism, the crassulacean acid metabolism mechanism. It takes place in the mesophyll cells of the leaves. These are the two cells, both the mesophyll cells. This is the similar cell during night and during daytime. During night, the stomata, they are open, and during daytime, the stomata, they are closed to prevent evaporation of water. Let us see the mechanism. During night time, when the stomata is open, carbon dioxide, it enters and it combines with phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the presence of enzyme phosphoenol carboxylase, and this results in the formation of oxaloacetic acid. During the night time, when the stomata, they are open, the carbon dioxide, it enters the cell, mesophyll cell, combines with phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the presence of enzyme phosphoenol carboxylase, and it results in the formation of oxaloacetic acid. This oxaloacetic acid, it is subsequently converted into malic acid in the presence of enzyme malic dehydrogenase. In the presence of enzyme malic dehydrogenase, and the reaction occurs in the presence of NADH, and the production of malic acid in the dark, it results in acidification. The process, it results in acidification, and this malic acid formed is stored in the vacuole. Now, during daytime, अब ये स्टोर हो गया रात को वैक्यूल में. During daytime, the malic acid, it splits up to form carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid in the presence of malic enzymes, and the stomata, as the stomata, they are closed during the daytime, the malic acid, it is decarboxylated to produce carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid. This carbon dioxide produced, it enters the C3 cycle, means it combines with RuBP, and it undergoes a C3 cycle, and it results in the formation of carbohydrates, and this pyruvic acid formed, it is utilized to regenerate phosphoenol pyruvic acid. So this is the cycle. Let us see the carbon dioxide during night time. When the stomata are open, it will enter the cell, it will combine with phosphoenol pyruvic acid in the presence of enzyme phosphoenol carboxylase, and it results in formation of oxaloacetic acid. Oxaloacetic acid in the presence of malic dehydrogenase, it gets converted into the malic acid. The process is called acidification. Malic acid formed is stored in the vacuole of mesophyll cell. During daytime, when the stomata, they get closed, malic acid, it undergoes deacidification, and it gets converted into carbon dioxide and pyruvic acid. Pyruvic acid is further utilized in regeneration of phosphoenol pyruvic acid, and carbon dioxide, it combines with RuBP, and it undergoes the C3 cycle, which results in the formation of carbohydrate. So this is the crassulacean acid metabolism, which is seen in succulent plants like bryophyllum, orchid, cactus, pineapple, etc.